Okay, today we have, well right now is another part to the special meal, the garlic bread. This is Parmesan encrusted garlic bread. You're gonna love the recipe, you have to try it. There was a few bumps in the road, but we adjusted and kept it moving. Enjoy. Hey, this is Shra Shara. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, for this, we're going to add some margarine in this case. I like margarine because it's buttery and it has that oil content I'm looking for. Okay. And as that melts, this is real quick folks, as it melts, we're going to add garlic. Couple tablespoons of garlic. Okay, see what this does? I want this to be real garlicky. So I hold this up. Now we're going to add some parsley. About a couple tablespoons. There we go. And let's let this continue to cook. Now that it's simmering, as you can see, simmering. We're going to let this simmer for a couple minutes, and then we're going to apply it to the bread. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes, and what we want to do now is apply this, the garlic butter with the parsley, to the bread. I originally had baguettes, but when I opened the package, they were moldy. So the store, they need to get their game together. So I'm just using regular bread, which is fine as well. Maybe like garlic toast. So we want to brush it on, apply it liberally, get your coverage. You don't have to do both sides. One side is enough. Because this garlic infused butter is going to work. You know me. It's going to work. It's going to randomly work out. Go. Almost done here. Nice and buttery, garlicky. Now we want to add some Parmesan cheese to the top, just for good measure. Alright, now we're going to pop this in a 450 degree oven until it's nice and toasty. Parmesan encrusted, garlic bread is ready. All right, let's get this plated up.